Today, we continue learning the course Automotive Assembly and Adjustment Technology. Project 5, Chassis Assembly and Adjustment. Section 2, Typical Workstation Assembly Training for Chassis Section 1. During practical training, assembly standards must be followed. Wear personal protective equipment (PPE) correctly. Enhance safety awareness. Cultivate the 7S work habit. Components assembled in the chassis area are typically large, heavy metal parts. They are prone to safety accidents like crushing, pinching, and impact injuries. Careless operation may lead to serious accidents. If violations are observed, they should be advised against and stopped. During chassis assembly and adjustment, fixed electric wrenches and angle electric wrenches are commonly used. When using them, always follow the standard usage methods and precautions as illustrated to ensure safety. Hoist usage instructions. Untrained personnel are prohibited from performing hoisting. During operation, ensure hooks or fixtures are securely locked. When lifting, pay attention to the path to avoid collisions. Do not leave during hoisting operations. If a short absence is necessary, you must lower the part until it contacts the ground before leaving. The quality control points for Chassis Section 1 are as follows. First, subframe subassembly. It includes installing the subframe and left or right control arms, the stabilizer bar, and the steering gear. When installing the subframe and control arms, ensure bolt positions are correct. For the stabilizer bar, pre-tighten the bolts first, then tighten them fully. Before installing the steering gear, check for oil leaks, and pay attention to the respective torque specifications. Second, hoisting the subframe, engine assembly, and rear axle crossmember. After lowering the hoist, you must ensure the assembly parts rest on the locating support points of the pallet. This ensures accurate positioning and avoids damaging the parts. During hoisting operations, ensure PPE is worn. Hooks must be properly engaged. Transfer parts at a moderate speed. Regularly inspect hoist components, lubrication, and the pneumatic system. Third, installing the rear axle shock absorber. First, pre-tighten with one bolt and one nut. Then tighten with an electric wrench. Ensure correct positioning and correct torque. Installing the shock absorber springs on both sides. First, place the spring washers. Lift the spring seat, then install the spring. Ensure the orientation is correct. For an operation demonstration, please watch the video Chassis Disassembling, Assembling the Jetta Front Shock Absorber on Shijitong platform. Fourth, assembling the drive shaft. Before installation, confirm the drive shaft part number matches the automobile model. This avoids issues during later assembly. Inspect the drive shaft appearance. Ensure there is no deformation, damage, or oil leakage. During installation, ensure the drive shaft spline is fully engaged. Perform a push-pull verification. For other key steps, please study and analyze on your own. Before performing the typical workstation hands-on operations for Chassis Section 1, first, conduct grouping and task allocation as shown in the table. Then, on the actual automobile or on the bench, carry out practical training according to the previously mentioned process flow steps, and fill out the implementation record table as required. After completing the operations, conduct online self-evaluation and peer evaluation based on the checklist. This includes aspects of skills and professionalism during task execution. Finally, based on your own operation process, conduct a group discussion, analyze and summarize this task, and complete the online assignment and the extended task. Thank you for watching.